guys, so today I'm super excited because I just got my first birthday gift. Yeah, in case you don't know, February 28th is my birthday, and I just got my first birthday gift. And guess what? This is what I've been waiting for and wanting and needing for a long time now. So yeah, finally I got it as a gift, and today I said we should unbox this together. So yeah, I know I was supposed to get a mic like since, but because of the fact that my AirPod is doing the work of a mic, I decided to just use my AirPod and use the mic, despite the fact that I know that yeah, I actually need a mic. So I finally got one as a birthday gift. So trust me, this is very good. I've used this before. I've used something like this before actually. So this time around, I got a double instead of one mic. I got double. So I've used this before, like I said, and trust me, this is good. With this, you don't need to worry about the noise around because it has this noise cancellation. So today I'll be unboxing my first gift. I'm supposed to wait till my birthday, but I can't. Like I can't. I'm super excited. I can't. So this is how the pack looks like. This is it. This is how it looks like. Yeah, I hope you can see it and see it very well. This is how it looks like actually. So I'm just going to open it and ta-da! This is it. This is it. So you can use this for interviews, you can use this to do your voiceover, you can use this to record sounds, record anything at all actually. So yeah. What is this? Oh, nice. This one comes with this. Nice. So the main mount is actually type C, but it has this is for Android. I don't know what they call Android type what, I don't know, but this is for Android and this is for iPhone. So I'm using an iPhone, so I'm just going to connect this one to this. I'm going to connect this to this. It's connected. Then I'm going to insert this in my phone and I'm just going to use the mic like that. So you don't need to connect Bluetooth, you don't need to connect anything at all. You just have to like put this in your phone mount and then you're good to go. You can just use it like that. So I'm going to connect this, so you're going to hear the sound and you can tell the difference. You can tell that yes, you really need a mic if you're doing things like voiceover, talk on your video, vox pop, interviews and all of that. You'll be needing something like this. So you can get the single or you can get the double. So this is the charger. Yeah, this is the charger. So yeah, this is the charger. So this is for charging this. This is for charging this. And this as well, I think. This is for charging. Yep, these two. So that's it. So I'm going to connect and you're going to hear the difference. So yeah, I'm using the mic now and you can actually hear the sound, you can hear the difference. So this is where you're going to on it after connecting the receiver to your phone. So you're just going to press for long till it ons. So this is where you're going to press. It's not charged actually. I guess that's why this one is not really coming on. So you just have to like press this power button for long and then you can use it. So this is the microphone transmitter. So my own is 2, so you can get 1, you can get 2, any of the above, anyone you actually want to get. So now you can just clip this to your clothes and then you can do your interviews, your vox pop and all of that. I hope you love the sound. Yeah, I actually love the sound of this mic, and with this I'm not bothered, like no noise is going to disturb or affect my video. So like I said, it has type C mount, it has iPhone mount, and it also has Android mount. So that is the mount, and this is the microphone transmitter. The one I connected to my phone is the receiver, and this is the charger. So this is just the pack. This is the pack for the charger, this is the pack for the mic, and it has a manual. You can go through the manual after getting yours, so that in case you don't understand or you don't know how to use it, it's actually very simple. It's just plug in and play, that's all. So you can still go through the manual to understand better, but it is just plug in and play. Like, you don't need to on your Bluetooth, you don't need to connect Wi-Fi, data, nothing. You just have to plug the receiver to your phone, and then you turn on the transmitter after charging it, and then you're good to go. So thanks for staying with us on today's video. I'm super excited. Happy birthday to me in advance. I hope to see you on my next videos and all of my videos, like all. We have so many interesting and amazing videos on our channel, so feel free to go through our channel to check our other videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice and amazing day. See you on my next video. Bye. So this is the pack. This is how the pack looks like. This is the front and back of the pack. I've not used this particular brand before, but I've used this product before, so I hope this is good actually. So this is it. This is the charger for all this. This is the receiver. This is type C mount. So this one comes with type C mount. You can get the one for iPhone mount alone, but this comes with 3 mounts. So the type C mount, the Android mount, this, you can connect this to this and then plug to your Android phone. Then we also have, so this is the iPhone mount. You can connect this to this also, and then you plug to your iPhone. And then this is the transmitter, microphone transmitter. This is it. So this is the microphone transmitter. This is the off and on button. So after connecting this to your phone, after connecting this part to your phone, you're just going to click on this till it shows green light. You have to make sure it's showing green light, and you have to make sure the green light is stable. If the green light is not stable, it is not connected. So you have to make sure the green light is stable. So after charging it, you can just connect it so and make sure it is actually stable. So this is on and off button, and this is for you to clip it to your clothes or whatever you want to clip it to while you talk. So that's all. This place is for charging, here too, charging. So this, like I said earlier, this is the charger. So you connect this to a charger head, and then you're going to plug this to either any of these or this, and then you charge till it's full. So once you connect this to this, it's going to be showing red lights here. You see red light, it's going to show red light here. So that's just it. The charger is for these two and this. This is to be connected to your phone, either with this or with this, or if you're using type C, you don't need any of this, you'll be needing this. Me now, I'm using iPhone, so this is what I need with this. I don't need this. So thanks for watching.